Hello and welcome. Today I'm going to be going over another EDC bag that I made just recently. I replaced my leg platform EDC bag and I took all the contents and I put it into this bag and I upgraded some of the contents as well. This is the Maxpedition Proteus Versipak. It's the later model, which includes the D-rings on the side here, as you can see. The older models did not have this D-ring sewn into these 2 points here. This bag is made of 1000 ballistic nylon denier material, and it is overall the size is 12 by 4.5 by 6.5. So it's a little bit larger than the platform that I made previously. Very durable. As you can see, it's got PALS webbing everywhere. This is the rear. You can take the belt that it comes with. This is made to be used as a fanny pack or a butt pack. You can stuff it into the side underneath here. This has Velcro in it, and you can put items inside the stowaway pouch here, mainly the belt. But you can use this in a as a butt pack, or you can use it as a sling pack, either with this belt, or there's another add-on you can get from Maxpedition, which goes into the D-rings here and use it as an over-the-shoulder type bag as well with that configuration. I have it currently set up as a fanny pack. Overall weight for this is going to be around 7 pounds for me, and based on the items I have inside. I have a VX7R submersible radio on the side here with a tri-band antenna. This is a Maldal tri-bander. It's a 6 meter, 146, and 446 approximately. So you're looking at 6 meter, 2 meter, and 70 centimeters tri-bander antenna on the quad band radio. Over here I have a pen. This is a Sharpie. And on the side here I have a little mini compass with a magnifying glass inside of it and a carabiner attached for the carabiner. And I have a bunch of S-binder hooks on the bag here. Let's open up the handle here. You can release the clips here in the front, and you can still hold the bag via its handle here, which is pretty nice. So you can still kind of maintain control over the bag when you open it and load it. And this is the top part. These are YKK zippers. They're not inverted, unfortunately, but that's all right. I wasn't looking for that in this kind of bag. Other Maxpedition products have a reverse sewn zipper, so that water has a harder time getting inside the bag here. These are YKK zippers with paracord nylon straps on them, as you can see. Let's open up the front compartment here and see what we have. This only opens up in a half opening. In the bottom here, I have some paracord. I have some zip ties, as well as a Uncle Ben's tweezer and some safety pins. I don't want to take everything out of the bag, but I'll just point it out. I have an empty vial for contents. I have a small Bic lighter. I have a credit card with duct tape on it right here. I have a whistle. I have some lip balm, and I have the ThruNite TI3 V2 small AAA light with the rechargeable battery inside of it. Moving over to this side, I have some super glue. I have a ferrite rod with a striker in here, and I have my Leatherman Rev plier multi-tool knife. In the back here, I have a pencil, mechanical pencil. In the rear compartment, I have the signal mirror behind here in a plastic bag with foam to protect it. And I have some empty bags here on this side. You never know when you're going to need to use any sort of compartmentalization devices or containers on a EDC get home type bag. And then at the bottom I have a Eaton tool made by CRKT. It's kind of hard to get it out sometimes, but there you go. It's got a little tool here, some hexagon tools, bottle can opener and bottle opener, and a little pry point here, as well as being a spork, obviously. So that is the front compartment pouch of the EDC bag. And I like the fact that this bag offers a little bit more compartmentalization than my thigh rig that I made before with the London Bridge Trading thigh rig utility pouch. It's a good pouch. It just felt a little bit weird wearing it on my thigh, being bulky. I wanted to switch it up, and I've never tried a fanny pack type EDC bag before, so that's how it closes up. As you can see, pretty simple and easy. In the main compartment, I'm not going to take out everything, but I have a elk knife here, full tang. I have my med kit. I have my water bottle. It's a 500 milliliter platypus water bottle. Delving deep inside, I have an electronics bag filled with my AA battery adapter for my ham radio, some charging cables for my phone and any other devices, and then I have a solar panel AA charger in there. At the bottom of the kit, I have my water bottle, 18/8 stainless steel. This is a 333 or 35 milliliter water bottle, which I can boil water with. There's another video on my channel which I show how to do that, where you put a little toggle inside the neck here and you string it up, and you string some string into the toggle, and you can hang it and boil water with this device. So I have a purification method. I have a headlamp, rechargeable revolt. Further in the pack, I have an extra dry sack. And then I have some toilet paper in the bottom. So that is the main compartment of the bag. And go ahead and put that back together. As you can see, it's a lot of space in here. Even though the opening isn't as big as the space inside, you can still get a lot of things in and out fairly easily. I also have a Mylar blanket in the rear pouch here. There's like a little mesh pocket here which holds the med kit and the water bottle and the knife in here, and the Mylar blanket. So just get that packed in there. So as you can see, it's got plenty of room for a whole bunch of materials in it. And move that zip over. There we go. Two side pockets are very similar to each other. They have the same amount of spacing and PALS webbing on the front, just like the front of the pocket here. And on the rear, there's a whole bunch of webbing adaptions as well. The two D-rings I mentioned before, you can put a strap onto it and carry it in a sling fashion. Opening up this compartment, I have a compass. I have a handkerchief. I have my fire starting kit. This is an old Sour Warheads hard candy container, and I repurposed it for a fire making kit with the cotton stormproof matches, some birthday candles in there, about 4 of them, and a Bic lighter as well. I have my hand sanitizer here, and I have my fishing sewing kit in this little repurposed tin can, along with my fingernail cutter and a razor and some fishing line as well. 30-pound fishing line. And that is the side pocket here. I'll try to repack that up. As you can see, the pockets offer a lot of versatility in what you can put inside them. And you can change it up a bit to make them more efficient. But these zippers are pretty good too. There's no real blockage of the zippers. Sometimes you get zippers that are caught, they open halfway. It doesn't work like that with this pack here. All right, this is the side pouch here. I'm going to attach the lanyard for the radio. Radio is hooked on the side webbing, as you can see, via the clip, and that's where it hangs on the bag. This is the water filtration side, where I have my Sawyer water filter packed in there. I don't want to take everything out right now because I only take it out every so often, but I have the dirty water bag, which is 500 milliliter bag inside here to flush with the Sawyer mini water filter, and I have a small sports bottle cap off of a smart water bottle, which integrates with the back flushing capabilities of the Sawyer mini inside this pocket here. Now I also have my toothpaste and my toothbrush inside this pocket as well. So I have a little bit of a dentistry kit there for maintaining hygiene on the trail if I have to. Overall, this pack is fairly unique in that most of the weight can be put onto your hips or around your waist as opposed to on your back, which in my case, and for what I'm using it for, when I have to go up the trail and rescue people, I don't want to be carrying a lot of weight on my back or my body. And for whatever reasons, if I'm caught out there, I know I have just the bare essentials to get me back to where I have to be in a few hours. This is at most a one-day kit. I can add a little bit extra food inside here, sport drink or small powder to put into the water to drink with, and I can refresh myself with the water filtration kit and boil water if I have to. And I have that Myra blanket inside to use as a shelter or emergency blanket in case for medical emergencies. So that is the Maxpedition Proteus kit. This is my small EDC bag. It has a lot of similar items that I use for my other kits. What I didn't show you was in the yellow bag, I have a USB adapter that charges the radio. I have a small solar kit inside as well. It's a AA solar kit. It's made by Ultralast. I got it for about $23 on eBay. It's a tiny AA charger that outputs a USB current of 300 milliwatts, which can charge certain applications. I can charge my AA batteries to put in the tray to use my radio, or I can emergency charge my phone or any other USB device with it. So that works pretty well. And I have a little Olight USB magnetic charger that I've shown in my previous videos. It's also in the yellow bag as well. That's inside the kit. So overall, that is the Maxpedition Proteus EDC bag that I have currently and its content setup. I recommend it if you're looking for a lightweight pack that you want to wear as a butt pack or can use as a slinger, or that you can even attach onto your backpacks. I know that this bag integrates pretty well with the Maxpedition Falcon 2, where it has the straps underneath, and you can attach it to this strap here, this handle, and it acts as almost as a part of the bag when you do that. So I recommend getting, or at least checking out that system if you're looking for a modular system to adapt to. Now I plan on getting a external water bottle holder to augment the water carrying capacities of this bag in my current setup. I plan on getting another half liter or another liter bottle on the side here. So I'm waiting for that to come on in the mail. And I've been searching around for different water bottle holders. Anyway, that's your Maxpedition Proteus Versipak. If you have any questions or comments, let me know. Thank you for watching.